Hi, my name is Edwin Deyton. I'm here today to talk about some of our engineering projects. In particular, I want to talk about our sewer replacement project along Concord Road, South Campbell Station Road, and through Founders Park. So as we evaluate our infrastructure, we're looking at a line through Campbell Station Road corridor that was put in the 1970s, and we have planned the needs for the next 50-year horizon for what the line needs to be. And we've evaluated where it needs to be constructed, and we've tried to do so in the least impactful ways for streams and the environment. We've tried to be mindful of what our property acquisition needs are so that we're not affecting homes or businesses unnecessarily. So in this case, we're replacing the line in the same location, which results in faster construction and less impact to the community. Our work within Founders Park is sensitive and impacting the public and park use. That effort is something we've planned with the town of Farragut as a primary stakeholder to make sure our schedule aligns as well as possible with the town's use of the park, particularly the Christmas lights. So we have planned that work well with them on the front end to understand kind of blackout times that are sensitive to them, and we've avoided working in the park during that time. This project will go through the length of Founders Park. The line goes along the creek, across the creek, next to pedestrian greenways and walking trails, and is adjacent to bridges over the creek as well. So part of our work in protecting the public and the employees working on the job is restricting the use of the park and closing our workspace. That is for the speed of the project, but equally important, it's to protect citizens that would be around open trench excavation, pipe installation, or any hazard to the public. It's part of being a good steward and being safe on this project. And we're proud to do this work in an economical way that keeps our rates as low as possible for our customers.